Step into the 2006 Scion TC. Smooth gear shifts are achieved thanks to the 2.4-liter four-cylinder engine, providing a spirited yet composed ride and drive. Top features include front bucket seats, front and rear cup holders, a tachometer, adjustable headrests in all seating positions, an outside temperature display, remote keyless entry, and a split-folding rear seat. For drivers who enjoy the natural environment, a power moonroof allows an infusion of fresh air. Passenger security is always assured thanks to the various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, knee airbags, ignition disabling, and four-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Our sales reps are knowledgeable and professional. We are here to help you.